The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government, in conjunction with the Federal Emergency Management Agency. Since the killings of Darius Moore, Dequarius Jackson, and Jorge Alvarez earlier this afternoon, many more copycat killers were reported in several other major cities across the country. These cities include Cleveland, Ohio, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Detroit, Michigan, Indianapolis, Indiana, Chicago, Illinois, St. Louis, Missouri, New York City, New York, Dallas, Texas, and San Diego, California. Much like Moore, Jackson, and Alvarez, these copycat killers, who have become known as the holiday hellraisers by many media outlets, were reported to have been running around the listed cities, opening fire on any person they see, opening fire inside parks, restaurants, and office buildings. The current combined death toll is around 50, with 83 more injured. The police departments of the cities affected by these crime waves are currently under great stress. At this time, all residents within a 10-mile radius of the previously aforementioned cities are advised to remain inside homes with all windows and doors locked, and to not allow anybody inside your home. If any of the suspects enter your home, you are strongly advised to use armed protection by any means possible. The National Guard will shortly be deployed in the affected cities to mitigate the threats, and to reinforce law enforcement. Stay tuned to media outlets for further updates on this dangerous situation.